How to change username in Twitch. Are you guys facing issues to change your username on Twitch application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. To change your username on Twitch, first of all, open Twitch application on your mobile device. If you don't know how to download Twitch, then make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. Once you open the application, now just simply look at the right bottom of your screen where you can see this profile icon. Just simply tap on profile icon. After you click on it, you can see this option for edit profile. Tap on edit profile. After you click on it, you can see the option for username and display name. We are looking to change your username, right? Just simply tap on username. After you click on it, look at the bottom of your screen where you can see change username. Tap on it. Now write down the username according to your preference. After you write it down, just simply click on save. After you click on save, your username will be instantly saved. And that's it, guys. That's how you're going to change your username on Twitch. However, I don't want to change my username right now, so I will discard it. And if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Watch. Bye bye.